intensive for logistics infrastructure. Logistics means transportation. Okay, so logistics is a key emerging sector which comprises of transportation, storage, and distribution and value-added services. So you're transporting some goods, you are unloading all the goods and storing it, and from there how it is getting distributed and other value-added services. So it consists of the complete transportation, storage, and distribution value-added services in the logistics sector. So, multimodal logistics parks comprising of an inland container depot. So, you are going to build the inland container depot for logistics for transporting and storing the containers. So, in case if there is no place for parking the containers inside the city, you can use this park for parking your containers there. Okay, so minimum investment is 50 crore and minimum area is 10 acres of land for this multimodal logistics park. Cold chain facility for storage. So minimum investment is 15 crore and minimum area is 20,000 square feet. Warehousing facility with a minimum investment of 25 crores, and warehousing is for storage without the temperature dependence. Okay, with an minimum area of 1 lakh square feet. Okay, so the following incentives will be provided to the logistic provider: A and B for the logistics, and C for the warehousing. Okay, the cold chain storage means even nowadays you can see containers also having the ACs fitted with them, so they can store the products and they can transport it simultaneously. Okay. Next one is industry status. So electricity tariff. The electricity tariff will be efforts will be made to give the efforts will be made to ensure that the tariffs are applicable to all the industries in the logistics category. So access to finance, affordable loans from the TIIC, so exemption in using in the Land Ceiling Act. So using the facilitating change of land use for industrial purposes and unplanned areas, which will be applicable logistics sector. So in case if anywhere the land is not properly used, you can get that land and get for a subsidy. Single window clearance for everything. So all the approvals, the requests, and everything is you're developing a single website for clearing everything. And SIPCOT industrial estates are permitted to allot industrial warehousing facilities. So you can create warehousing units inside the SIPCOTs and other industrial parks where the government has set up the industries. And one more thing, logistic and warehousing facilities are always allowed to operate 24/7, 3 shifts of 8 hours each.